Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today I'm going to share with you guys my favorites for the month of April. And for those who don't know me yet, I am Mia, or I am Joy. You can call me with Mia or with Joy. So yeah, let's start with the video. I've been loving these two products here, the Tresemme Expert Collection, the Keratin Smooth Shampoo, and of course the Smooth and Shine Shampoo. With these two, my hair is just so soft, and yeah, there are no frizz like that. It's not that dry, you know, because I usually go to the beach, so I'm really loving this one because it has keratin that can, you know, regenerate, or that can help your hair to recover from the heat or from the damages that it has been. So yeah, I've been loving this too. First one that I've been loving for my skin is this snail soap from Flawless, and it says here it moisturizes and it helps cure acne. And as you can see right now, I am still suffering from my breakouts because yeah, as I am filming this video, on the edge. Malapit na akong magka-period, so I think this is the cause, the hormone. So yeah, it dries out my pimples and my acne. So here and here, they are so big. Before, mga 2 days ago, I've been using it for already 5 days, I think, or 3 days. So yan, napadry na niya yung mga pimples ko. Hindi na dun ganun ka-red na may, you know, that kind of inflamed pimples. So yeah, it helps to dry out your pimples. So if you're looking for a facial soap, then you can head on to a Flawless distributor or resellers that sells the snail soap. And the next one that I got here, my favorite, is this Maxi Peel Moisturizing Cream and Maxi Peel Sunblock. So this is my sister's things, but you know, nakikigamit the sisters and sisters. And I've been loving this moisturizing cream every time that I apply it. Every night I apply it. And this Maxi Peel Sunblock Cream, I usually apply it every morning. And yeah, the moisturizing cream, it really moisturizes and it really softens my skin every time I wake up. And of course the sunblock cream, it protects my skin from harmful, you know, rays of the sun. Sorry, bulol again. So yeah, I've been loving those two. And of course, from Derm Care Professional Deep Facial Cleanser. Sa mga nagtatanong kung ano po yung, kung saan po ako nagpapa-facial, I recommend you go to Derm Care Rosales because I've tried the Derm Care Urdaneta, and yeah, itong mga to, dun ako sa Urdaneta last na nagpagawa, and I think numbersan lang yung nangyari sa akin. But the Derm Care in Rosales, they did great kasi natatanggal talaga nila yung mga, you know, yung mga gunk in your skin. Pero dun sa Urdaneta, gusto ko sana mag-complain, but yeah, this is not a rant video, so yes, I will just make a video about that, a review of that service that I got from them. So this one is the Deep Facial Cleanser. Lemon lightens skin, helps and dry pimples. So it helps to dry the pimples. As you can see, malapit na akong maubusan. So yeah. For the hygiene kit, I've been loving the Nivea Pearl and Beauty Smooth and Beautiful Underarms for 48 hours. So I have featured this in my haul video last month, I think. So yeah, parang naging favorite ko na naman siya. Although favorite ko pa to nung college ako, pero yeah, back to my favorites. And of course, I've been loving this Beauty Fix Raspberry Vanilla Body Butter. So it really smells like heaven. Parang ano po yung parang palaman ng raspberry, parang yung mga desserts ng raspberry. So I really love scents or perfumes, lotions like that na ka-smell niya yung mga dessert like vanilla, raspberry, blueberry, but not really into strawberry. But yeah, I've been loving this, and yeah, malapit ko na siyang makalahati. And the last one here in my hygiene category is this Ebony. I still didn't figure out how to pronounce this. This Spa Milk and Salt. Wala na siyang laman. And yeah, nasa banyo na siya kasi ito yung nakuha ko, yung walang seal. So nilagay ko na siya. But yeah, I've been loving it. Every day I use the scrubs. So yun. Gustong-gusto ko talagang gumamit ng scrubs. Kaya kung kayo nagtitinda kayo ng mga scrubs, please let me know kung ano yung mga magbabango, kung if you're loving some scrubs, ganyan. Pag may online shop kayo, please comment down below and I will get some of your products, maybe. So yeah. And the last thing here in my favorite is this Everbelena Advanced Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pink Pearl. So maybe you've seen my review of this product and you already know why I love this product. And if you haven't seen that video yet, I will just put the link down below for you to know why I've been loving this. So yeah, that's all for my favorites for the month of April. I don't really have that much because I don't really change products, especially in my skincare. And for the makeups, I have stopped buying makeups already. So yeah, if you have an Instagram, please follow me in my Instagram. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye!